I have a few allegations because the purists say you've ruined the game. You of course know all this. So I'm going to give you your opportunity here. I'm going to give you the allegation. You take your chance to clear it. That cricket is only for the rich and it's all become about catching eyeballs now.
If it was only for the rich, then it won't be catching eyeballs. It's the cheapest form of entertainment available to the people. And when you say rich, where can you get 200 rupee tickets or 300 rupee tickets for the Aam Janta to go in and watch the kind of entertainment where they got Bollywood celebrities, music, fashion, the best cricketers available. I purposely ensure that we have large amount of tickets available for students, and they can't get it anywhere. You can't go to a multiplex for that price today.
What about these people who are forking out like 40,000 rupee tickets? I want to know who these people are.
Well, you see them around here, but but those are very few. Those are only a few, 400-500 seats. You go to Wimbledon today, you fork out 5,000 pounds. You go to Formula 1 today, you fork out 10,000 pounds. You have to have something for all categories.
What about benefiting the franchises versus the nation? Because of course, there's a fatigue factor. There's a factor that people don't want to play the T20 now, that the clubs are becoming more important.
Clubs will always be important. Clubs have never been important in this country. Clubs is important for nation too. We have found some of the best players around the world that have come out of the IPL. You look at Shane Watson. Nobody knew of Shane Watson. He wasn't in the Australian team. Today he's a key part of the Australian team. Like that, there's so many.
He'd rather play for the leagues than play for the Australian team.
Not true.
No?
Not true. I think we have made it mandatory that you must play for your country first if you're chosen, and then play for the league.
You had some sort of deal with Vasundhara Raje, the chief minister at the time, and you were called the super chief minister who was operating from the luxurious suite at the Rambagh Palace. What do you say about that?
If you actually calculate the number of visits I made to Rajasthan State at the Rambagh Palace, it will show that this is totally a myth. Vasundhara has been a very close friend of mine for all my life. So me being a super chief minister, it's absolutely hogwash.
So where does it come from? Because people say there's a line outside your suite and things like that.
Yes, there was a line outside my suite when I went for cricket matches. There were people standing out there wanting tickets, not for anything else. So
not IAS officers wanting their...
Again, this is all, it's a myth.